Hi everybody, it's Mike Berney over here at Liberty Realty. This year, for Thanksgiving 2018, we decided to go video instead of email. So I'm here in front of a live studio audience. We have hundreds of people out in front of me here. You can't see them, but they're here. And they all have questions to ask me in preparation for their turkey for Thanksgiving. And let me just say, everybody deserves to have the best turkey that they can get. So, without further ado, I think we should take questions from the audience. Sir.
Mike, should I use a fresh or frozen turkey?
Excellent question. I always prefer fresh. However, you probably have to order that ahead of time, which most of you have not done. If you have to get a frozen turkey, allow 24 hours in the refrigerator for every 5 pounds of turkey to defrost. It'll be fine. Go ahead and then follow the cooking instructions that you use or that I'm going to give you here. Next, anyone else? Yes, sir.
Mike, how much turkey do I need per person?
Fine question. So basically the rule of thumb is 1 person per pound. So if you have a 12-pound turkey, should be good for 12 normal type eating people. 16-pound turkey, about 16. But the higher you go, you'll get a few more people per pound because there's more meat to bone ratio. Example, a 20-pound turkey should feed a little more than 20 people, maybe 22, 23, give or take. Any other questions? Yes,
Mike,
sir.
what temperature and how long should I cook the turkey?
That's a key question. So the temperature universally that everyone likes here is about 325 degrees, okay? So you want to cook the turkey about 15 minutes per pound up to 16-pound turkey. And then for turkeys larger than 16 pounds, go about 12 minutes per pound on the cooking time. And that's unstuffed. I don't like to stuff my turkey, so that's the unstuffed. Anyone else? Any questions, please?
Mike?
Yes, sir.
I have
Yes,
another
sir.
question.
Yes, sir.
How do I know when the turkey is done?
How do we know when? We don't want to overcook the turkey. So the lucky few will have the pop-up device in the turkey and you can just see when it's done. But some of you might not have the pop-up timer. If you don't have it, simply take the turkey out of the oven carefully, slice into the leg as if you were going to take the drumstick off. The juices should run clear. If they run pink, you probably have a few more minutes or longer cooking time ahead of you. Any other questions?
Mike?
Yes, over here.
One
Yes,
last question.
Yes.
Do you have any secret cooking tips for turkeys?
Another great question. So, well, first of all, before we get to the tip, remember, let the turkey rest for about 20 minutes before serving it. I like to wrap it tight in aluminum foil. It just locks in the juices before you start slicing it for your family dinner. Now, as far as the secret tips, I do, in fact, have a secret tip. It's a little bit more work, but let me tell you, you'll get the best turkey in your whole neighborhood. People will come running, flocking to your home, trying to taste your turkey. So what you do, you actually, if you have a 4.5-hour cook time on your turkey, what you want to do is divide it into thirds. We'll call it 1.5 hours. So you want it 1.5 hours on its side. So you baste the turkey, you season it up, put it on its side. Its side, right? Put it in the pan, use foil to prop it so that it doesn't fall over, and roast it for the 1.5 hours with the drumstick up. One drumstick will be down, one will be up. After an hour and a half, you flip it carefully to the other drumstick, and then you have it on the other side for an hour and a half. So then, after the 3rd hour now, you take it back out, and for the final hour and a half, the normal traditional breast side up, for about an hour and a half till it's done, and let me tell you, you will have the best turkey you've ever tasted. That's it, live from Liberty. Thank you.
Thank you, Mike.